In today's video, I'll teach you how to video call on Android. So if you want to video call on Android, it is actually very simple. Video calling on Android is primarily done via the pre-installed Google Meet app. So for that, what you have to do is open the Google Messages. You can see over here Google Messages has been opened. Tap on the conversation in which you want to start the video chat. Now after you do that, at top right corner you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the camera icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you're being able to video call that particular person. So like this you'll be able to video call. If you do not want to video call via the Google Meet, you can also use various other platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, etc. In order to do that, you'll have to use the inbuilt features of those particular apps and you'll be able to video call. So that is how you video call on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.